everyone! Welcome back to the Deco Diva channel. I'm Cora, and today we're diving into the world of thrifted boho chic home decor. Whether you're a seasoned thrifter or just starting out, I've got tons of creative and sustainable ideas to help you transform your space. So grab a cup of tea, get comfy, and let's explore how upcycling thrifted finds can bring bohemian vibes into your home. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and comment below with your favorite thrift store finds. Upcycling is such a fun and eco-friendly way to create something beautiful while being kind to the planet. Boho chic style is all about mixing textures, colors, and unique pieces, and thrift stores are gold mines for finding those special items. If you've ever wondered how to make your space look effortlessly stylish without spending a fortune, you're in the right place. So let's get started. Boho chic is a style that celebrates individuality, creativity, and a mix of influences from different cultures. It's known for its relaxed vibe, earthy tones, and eclectic mix of textures, making it the perfect match for thrifted finds. Think woven baskets, vintage textiles, and earthy ceramics, pieces that have history and character. The beauty of boho chic is that it allows you to break the rules. You don't need everything to match perfectly. The goal is to create a cozy and inviting space that feels personal and lived in. When you're thrift shopping for boho chic pieces, it's important to look beyond the obvious. Look for items that can be transformed or given new life. Maybe a tarnished silver tray can become a beautiful tray for candles, or an old wooden chair can be reupholstered in a vibrant fabric. Thrift stores are full of hidden gems just waiting to be upcycled. Not all thrift stores are created equal, so it's important to know where to look for the best boho finds. Start by checking out local secondhand stores, estate sales, and flea markets. These places often have unique items that larger chain thrift stores don't carry. If you're in the right area, you can score some great pieces for a fraction of the price. Bonus tip: don't forget to bring your measuring tape. You'd be surprised how many pieces look amazing but don't quite fit your space. If you can't make it to in-person stores, online platforms like Facebook Marketplace, Poshmark, and eBay can be a goldmine for thrifting. Many sellers offer great deals on home decor items that are perfect for upcycling. Just be sure to ask for detailed photos and measurements before purchasing. One of the best ways to introduce boho chic style into your home is by upcycling thrifted furniture. Look for vintage pieces with good bones that can be refreshed with a coat of paint or new upholstery. Old dressers, chairs, and coffee tables are great candidates for a boho makeover. For example, an old wooden coffee table can be painted in a soft white or pastel shade, and the surface can be sanded down for a rustic, distressed look that fits perfectly into a boho space. Another great find is wooden chairs or stools. You can easily reupholster them in bold, colorful fabrics or add woven seat cushions for that perfect boho touch. Adding tassels, fringe, or even crochet details to your furniture will help infuse it with more boho charm. A little creativity goes a long way when it comes to furniture upcycling. Boho chic style is all about texture, so don't shy away from textiles when thrifting. Vintage sheets, scarves, and tablecloths can be transformed into throw pillows, curtains, or even wall hangings. If you find a beautiful fabric, think about how you can repurpose it in your space. For example, an old embroidered tablecloth can make a gorgeous boho-style duvet cover, or you can cut a vintage scarf into strips to make a unique pillow cover. Another fun idea is using thrifted blankets and throws. You can find so many cozy, woven textiles at secondhand stores that will add warmth and texture to your home. Layering throws on your couch, bed, or even draping them over a chair will instantly elevate your space with that boho vibe. Lighting is key in creating that cozy, bohemian atmosphere. When thrifting for lighting, look for vintage lamps, chandeliers, or lanterns that can be given a boho twist. An old brass lamp, for example, can be painted matte black or a soft metallic gold to match your decor. You can also add fun lampshades, like woven rattan or fabric ones with playful patterns. Don't be afraid to think outside the box when it comes to lighting. Adding a unique piece can change the entire vibe of a room. Thrifted pendant lights or lanterns can bring an earthy, global feel to your home. If you're feeling crafty, you can even turn vintage baskets or wooden crates into pendant light fixtures. This type of upcycling is not only cost-effective but also adds a personal touch that you won't find in regular stores. Boho style thrives on personalization, and thrifted wall art can add a unique touch to your space. Old paintings, framed posters, or even vintage mirrors are perfect finds. If you're into DIY, grab some thrifted frames and add your own art or photographs to them. A gallery wall filled with a mix of different styles and frames will give your space a curated, yet laid-back, feel. You can even combine thrifted art with woven wall hangings, which are a classic boho staple. You can also upcycle old wooden doors or shutters into statement wall pieces. These rustic finds can be used as a backdrop for your other boho decor elements or even as a standalone focal point. Don't forget to play with color. A vibrant coat of paint can completely transform the look of any thrifted piece of wall art. Boho Chic wouldn't be complete without some greenery. Thrift stores are a great place to find unique plant pots and planters that can be upcycled to match your boho aesthetic. Look for ceramic pots, vintage tins, or even old teacups that can be repurposed as plant containers. For a creative twist, paint them with earthy tones or wrap them in jute or twine to add texture and a handmade vibe. Your plants will thrive in these lovingly upcycled pots, and they'll look stunning in any boho-inspired room. You can also use thrifted objects as plant holders. Old baskets, wooden crates, or even vintage suitcases can be transformed into stylish planters. This is a fun and eco-friendly way to give new life to forgotten items while adding more greenery to your home.